Hello friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I have this scrapbook layout. I'm going to use two photos. Look, this beautiful photo with the girls on the wings, and I select from the April limited edition kit this paper that is so beautiful, and I want to cut out the butterfly. I'm going to use ivory cardstock as my base and two photos. Okay, I already cut the butterfly. This is from Prima Marketing, the collection that is featuring this month in the kit. Now with a pencil I am making marks in the area that the butterfly will be, and once I center the butterfly, let me show you. I want to put one photo here and the other behind the wings like a peekaboo. And this is the idea. Now I make marks in around the top photo because I'm going to use this stencil that comes in the limited edition kit, and I'm going to use 3 different distress oxides. Look, this one is the wilted violet. I'm going to use the yellow, the fossilized amber, and the kitsch flamingo. I'm going to start with a brush blend here. I am blending the wilted violet here. I am blending with this brush. I am following the pencil marks. I want to give a little of color behind the wings, but I don't want too much. So you see that it looks now a little bold, but you will see later that it will look great. Now I am blending here the fossilized amber, and then I want to add some touches of the kitsch flamingo, that is the pink. As you see, only a few touches, and this is ready. Now I'm going to turn down the stencil, and I'm going to do the same in the bottom part of the other wings here, and I am starting with the violet first, and then I'm going to use the yellow one. I am trying to blend a little, not too much, just to give the touches of the color, and it is ready. Let me move all these inks apart. Okay, it is ready. Now I'm going to use the stamp that comes in the kit, and I want to use the lips, and I'm using the black archival here, and I'm going to stamp randomly here in the top portion of the stencil work, because I am planning to put some of the embellishment in this area and in the other part that you see here, and I will do the same in the bottom part too. This time, let me turn down the lips, and here I am stamping in some of the area that I think. I'm not sure. I am not thinking. I am just stamping in this area. Not sure how I'm going to make the arrangement of the flowers, but I just want the textures on the background and the layers of color and ink. So that is what I am doing at this moment. I think that it's great. Let me stamp again over this one, and it is ready. Let's move all the things now. Okay, once I have this, I am going with my eraser, and I am removing all the pencil marks except the one that is the body of the butterfly, but I am cleaning everything. And now look how pretty. Oh, this butterfly. And now I'm going to attach the butterfly, but first I want to put the photo to see if it is enough of the stamping and the stencil work, and I am happy how everything looks. So I'm going to move forward, and I'm going to attach or glue down the center of the butterfly. As you see, only in the body I add the liquid glue, and now here I am center the butterfly, and it is ready. Now I attach this, and I want to use my bond folder here to score the border here of the wings, as you see, and I'm going to do the same in the other wings. And this is how I adhere the butterfly, only in the center. Once I have this, I'm going to work with my photo. I already put a white cardstock mat in each of the photo, and now I have this doily that I made, or I used one of my dies. Yeah, that's what I want to say. And I love this die because the doily looks like for me, like a lace. So I am trying to show only the doilies behind the photo. And I cut into pieces, and I'm going to use the small piece in the bottom part here, as you see, only showing show the doilies in this part. And I'm going to do the same with the second photo, and I'm going to attach this in one of the corner here of the photo, and this one is ready. I'm going to cut the rest and keep it just in case that I need it later. And this is my photo. Is I like how everything looks, so I want to create a little of dimension in my photos. I don't want that they look flat, so I'm going to add 3D font tape behind here the photo. I check now that the dimension is what I was looking for, and then I'm going to add this other font tape that has less dimension than the first one for my second photo, and this is ready. Now I peel off the back of the font tape and add a little of liquid adhesive, and now I'm going to glue down the photo here. Let me check here. Okay, I like how it looks. And I'm going to do the same with my second photo. I'm trying to place it a little up the photo. At the end I cover a lot of the stencil work, but it's okay because I only want like a hint of color around all the work that I'm going to do here in the behind the lips. Now let me show you some of the flowers, some of the paper flowers, and this part is from the same paper of the butterfly. I just cut this piece to put it behind the wings because I want to create layers, and these beautiful flowers came all comes in the kit, and I'm using the big one, this from Prima, because it has the same colors of my page. Well, it's my personal. I don't like the big flowers, but it's okay. I am trying to not create too much volume with them because they are a little bulky, and I always prefer medium and small flower, but this time I need to work with them, so I am trying to see how I'm going to make the arrangement that they don't look too bulky. But let me see, maybe I'm going to add here a tiny of this here. I am trying to flat part of the flowers, but not sure how I'm going to do this. I am trying with this to see if they keep and I can visualize everything, but you know, sometimes it's hard when I don't know, I don't like to adhere everything at once. I prefer to put all my elements on the page and then see if I am happy how everything looks. Well, I glue down everything. Here I add the piece that I showed you at the beginning, and I add 3D font tape and put behind under all these flowers. And look the bird, how cute it is. I love that it's a spring. I need it because the cold had me bad. I don't know, too cold. Anyway, I have these flowers, these paper flowers, and I'm going to attach them behind the same wing here, as you see. Then I'm going to, I don't know, I was planning to add flower, but I think I'm going to use this too. Let me cut a little of the stem here, another here. I am playing with them. I think they look even. I don't want this. I want that they look uneven, so I am trying with the same stem. Try to put one behind the other, and I think that they look better now. I add some of the margaritas. Daisy. I say margarita in Spanish, sorry, in my Spanglish. Margarita. Okay, from this paper, and I'm going, using this die, cut a bunch of leaves that you see here, because I want to put them between all the layers here to add, I don't know, I am inspired in the same photo. And of course of the paper. Let me tell you that this kit is so gorgeous. It's one of my favorites so far. I love how Pam combines everything, and maybe it's because this kit, that is the limited edition kit, scream spring, and it's one of my favorites season. I continue here playing with the element is hard because anything is adhered yet, so they will move, but now I'm going to move adhere all these off camera. Okay, take a look how everything looks. I adhere this part here, is all adhere at the wing, and this is how look the back. Okay, the thing here that I'm going to show you is I want to create a little of dimension with the wings, and I'm going to attach like this and like this. I am creating a gap between the base paper and the wing. Is like I think it's a little more, it's less than half an inch, I think so. It is a little more of a quarter inch, and I use the hot glue because it's strong, and you can see here, and I love the effect. And I'm going to add another dot of hot glue here and add the dimension in this way, adhere and create the gap. Now I'm going to use the BeeYOUtiful here as my title. This is from the Rivera package from the same collection, and attach this here at the bottom of the photo. I was looking in what area I should put the title, but at the end I decided that here at the bottom of the photo is where I found that looks better. And now I'm going to add some dots of liquid adhesive just to secure this, and this is beautiful, so pretty. And then I'm going to add some of the leaves here in the bottom part. Okay, now it's time to add the butterflies. I cut out a bunch of butterflies. Pam adds a paper, I think is from P13, if I'm not sure, but it's a complete of butterfly, and I cut a bunch. I just love butterflies. And I am playing here with the different butterfly. Now I change to other color to see which looks better, and I decided to let it, as you see, the pink here and the yellow and the rest as you see. Now I'm going to use the wilted violet oxide, distress oxide, and I'm adding a little water. I just and I'm going to give splatters of this violet color here, but first I need to cover the photos because I don't want to ruin my page. And I'm going to add a lot of splatters here, and then I am using my paintbrush has a tip, very fine tip, so my splatter are very small. If you like big splatter, I recommend you to use a brush with a medium tip. Then I'm going to do the same with the fossilized amber color. I also add water, make the mix, and then give the splatters around all the wings and on the top too. I turn down the paper because it's easier for me. sometimes I don't want to turn but it's hard because I am filming at the same time, but regularly I upside down the paper in many ways. Okay, I am cleaning everything, and you can see here. Now is one of my favorite things to do. That is to add the pearls. I just love pearls, and they goes perfect with this layout because in person it looks very delicate and feminine, and I don't know, I love pearls. And I'm going to add here a bunch of these crystal pearls here and there. And I don't want to forget to mention that if you are interested in this gorgeous kit, I'm going to let you down below in the description box the link to the kit and to my created site, so you can go and take a look at the gorgeous and the beauties and gorgeous pages that the rest of the team created with this kit. I continue adding pearls. I went crazy with the pearls in this layout. I am removing some of the threads, the glue threads that are around, because I use a lot the hot glue. I continue adding pearls here and there. I'm going to add 2 more. Pincher. I'm use this tool to hide the hole of the pearl. I am trying, you see, with the tip of this tool, I try to push down the hole of the pearl. And now I'm using the liquid adhesive and add some dots. Then I'm going to add a few of these sequins that gives this beautiful effect on the background, and I will put it over the wing, and you will see it. I will add a lot of this on the background, and they are like translucent, and that every sequin catch the color of the area, so they look so pretty in person when you see the page in person. I continue adding here and there. Once I add this, I want to add as my last step some white paint splatter. I want to add this effect over the butterfly tool, so I'm adding here, and they mix with the violet and the yellow color and look so pretty, and it creates, I don't know, I love it. I also, with the same brush, I add to the flowers, and you can see here, my friends, how it turns out. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? Let me know with a thumbs up, and let me know what part do you like most. And I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, let me know with a thumbs up, and I come back soon with another video tutorial. Don't forget that in the description box also are my social media. You can contact me there to see more photos of the project. And here are 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive the notification. Nos vemos. Bye bye.